all the slopes that you've seen so far are examples of positive slopes. And positive slopes, as we read from left to right, like you normally read, go up. I now need to show you some negative slopes. As you go from left to right, this line is going down. We find our slopes in the exact same way with a rise and a run thing. We're just going to have to note that if we ever end up going down like this, we're going to make our slope negative. So let's take a look at this line over here that I'm drawing. As I move from left to right across this graph, this line, that line is going down, which means I'm going to have a negative slope. So I'm going to just put a negative sign up front, and then I'm going to start my fraction. Now, same idea as before, my rise over the run. My rise, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. My rise was 4. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My run is 5. My slope is negative 4 over 5. Now there's another way to see it. If I start from this point over here, I can say my rise is, well, I'm not rising, I'm actually falling, but it still counts in math terms as a rise. I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4. Down is like saying a negative, so negative 4. My run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, running 5. Let me show you another. If we have a line that looks like this. I know, since as I go from left to right, this line is going down, so I'm going to make my slope negative. Let's see, let me start from this point over here. My rise is down. My rise is 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise is 4. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My slope is negative 4 over 7. If I give you a line like this, hold on, because I want to make sure something in particular happens here. If I give you a line that looks like that, my slope again is negative because as I go from left to right, I'm going down. My rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 6 over 4. However, just like last time, we can simplify this fraction. I can divide the top and the bottom by 2, and that's going to give me negative 3/2 for a simplified version. Let me have you draw a line. I want the line through the point 3, 1 with a slope of negative 5. Now, first of all, from the last video, remember we can always turn a number by itself into a number over 1. So negative 5 is like negative 5 over 1. I'm going to go to 3, 1. Because my slope is negative, I'm not going to rise up. Instead, I'm going to rise down. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go over 1. And my point is over there. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to rise 5, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run 1, over there. Connect the dots, and we have our line with a negative slope. Now, what you're going to take a look at, some of them will be positive and some will be negative. If they're positive slopes, like the stuff you saw in a previous video, as we go from left to right, this line's going up, your slope is positive over there.